Hello everyone, in this simple video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Forms. So first of all, you just need to open the Google Chrome browser here. And after opening that, make sure you have already logged into your Google account here. And then in the right corner, you can see there's an option called Google Apps here. So you just need to click on it and you need to go down. And here you'll find an option called Forms here. So you just need to click on it and open the Google Forms application. And here you can find all the templates of the Google Forms here. So if you just click on this template gallery, you can find more templates here. So if you find your desired templates here, you can use that. You can see there's a lot of option of exit ticket, worksheet, blank quiz here, work request, or any other template that you want to use. But for now, I'll show you the blank form to create an Google form here. So just click on blank form and this will take you to this page here. So first of all, you just need to create a title of your Google form here. So you can see there's an option called untitled form. So this is the title of your Google form here. So you just need to remove this and you can put any title for your Google form here. So for example, I'll just put a title here. You can type here any title from your Google form here. If you have a company or if you are accepting something for your work here, you can put any title here. And here's the form of description. So you can just write any type of description for your Google form here. You can also change the title of to bold here or the italic here. And you can also underline the option from here. So after creating your title and the description for Google form, add question here. As you can see, if I click on this question, and this is the untitled question here. So in the right corner, you can see there's a option of this is the question only for multiple choice. So if you click on this, you can also make this question as checkboxes or drop down option, or you can just create a short answer here. Just only one question, like you can create a question like your age. What is the age of the person that you're accepting the form here? This is going to be a short only answer. But if you're questioning about the multiple question, you can just click on this and choose the multiple option. And you can also choose from add another option and it will choose another option for the option that you're choosing for the Google form. If you want bigger answer of your question, you can just choose this and choose the better option here. And you can have a question like this, and this is going to be a long answer here. And if you want this option like be required, like you want this answer from his, and then you just have to click on this required option, and the person that will fill the form have to fill this answer, or otherwise the Google form will fail here. And you can choose also lots of options from drop down or checkbox here, and you can choose another question. Just click this plus icon here at question and it will just add another question. Now you can choose another, like this is going to be checkbox. You can also use as this checkbox option, and you can just put any other question. And if you have lots of options for this answer here, you can just put it another, and also you can just put another option. So that's it. This is how you can create the question in Google Form. Just click plus icon and it will just create another question. Like I have already created 1, 2, 3 question here. So it's up to you how you're going to use the question here. You can choose multiple choices from here, or you can just choose the short answer here. And after that, if you have already created all of your question, then you can add also some image into your question here. As you can see, there's an option of image here. You can add image from your PC. Also, you can add videos here. You can search in the YouTube and add a link here in the question. Also, you can add some import question from your drive. Like if you want to upload some Word file or any other file that you want to choose, you can add here. And if you have already created your Google form here, now you just have to click on responses, and this is the responses here. Like you are accepting responses, you can turn this on, or already the Google form is filled up, you can just turn this off, and you can see no accepted responses. This form is no longer accepted responses. So for this, you just have to turn this on. And in the customize option, if you go to the customize theme, you can add header style font here. Like if I change the font here, and you can see title font will be changed. Also, you can choose an image for your from Google Form here for your company or any other work that you want to do. So if you just click on choose image, you can choose image from the default option here, like food and dining, wedding, night out, or you can also upload your own image or the company that you're working, the own image of your company to the title here. So if I just click on choose image and just click this and insert, and as you can see, the image will be uploaded like this. And after creating all the whole things of the Google Form here, if you want to send it to any other group or message or to email, you just click on send, and you can send this Google Form by email. Or if you want to send this any group or message on any social media network, just click on this link option. We can just create a link here and shorten this URL, and you can copy this, and then you can send it to any other social media. And if you have a website like this, so you just need to click this here, and this is the embedded HTML code for this Google Form here. You can just copy and paste it in a website. So that's it, guys. This is how you easily create a Google Form in 2024. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.